May 2021 was definitely an exceptional month as the second COVID wave hit the rural and the semi-urban markets of India, leading to month-on-month decline in the auto sales number. Companies announced shutdown, dealerships were closed, and the sentiment too got hit in the past month. But before hitting to the numbers, let's look at what were the key takeaways from the statistics and also the commentary coming in from the companies. Firstly, we see that there was no substantial impact on the tractor sales number, and the likes of companies like Escorts and M&Ms, they are seeing a change in the sentiment in the rural markets, and in the medium term, they are expecting a sharp rebound in their sales data. Secondly, growth in the exports market continue to do well, and the likes of the company like Bajaj Auto and TVS, they are doing quite well in their exports market. And thirdly, positive commentary coming in from the companies where they are expecting a sharp rebound in the sales ahead. Now hitting to the numbers, we have first up Ashok Leyland, where the company clocked in a sales of around 3200 units in the month of May, which was way below our estimates. We were estimating the sales to be around 4000 units in the month of May, but nonetheless the sales is up 125 units on the YOY basis. But if we see the month-on-month comparison, then there is a decline of 62%. In the case of Eicher Motors, their VECV segment, the sales was double the estimates. The sales was around 1223 units, which is up 78% on YOY terms. In the case of Tata Motors, the sales were way ahead our estimates. We were estimating a sales to be around 22,000 units, but the company actually made a sales of 26,661 units. But Maruti disappointed on the way we were estimating it to be. We were estimating the sales for Maruti to be around 75,000 units, but company actually made a sales of 46,555 units. And same disappointment was seen from the auto division of M&M, where the companies in the month of May, we were expecting a sales of 20,000 units, but the company actually made a sales of 17,447 in units. But tractor segment of M&M did really well. We were expecting the sales to be around 16,800 units, but company made a sales of 24,184 units. And not only that, M&M is quite robust and positive for the tractor sales in the rural market in the time ahead. And same is the commentary and kind of the sales figure from Escorts, where the company made a sales of 6,423 tractors in the month of May. Now coming to two-wheelers, Bajaj Auto, this number was exactly as per the estimates at 2.7 lakh units of sale in the month of May. But TVS Motors do disappoint us. We were expecting the sales to be around 2 lakhs units, but the company did 1.7 lakhs units of sale. But exports of TVS Motors did really well. And on the day one, the likes of companies like Atul Auto, SML Isuzu and VST Tillers do come up with their numbers. One key number to highlight will be VST Tillers, where the tiller sales were up 24% on the month-on-month basis, and on the YOY comparison, the sales is up 18%. So this is an exceptional when we compare the month-on-month data. So these were the updates on the day one. More numbers are awaited on the month of May 2021 auto sales number.